Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 3 ways remove write protection from USB pen drive. The disk is write protected. If you're encountering the disk is write protected error when you're trying to write a USB flash drive, you can try the following methods to remove the write protection. First, you need to check for physical write protection switch. Some USB flash drives have a physical switch that allows you to enable or disable write protection. Check if a USB drive has such a switch and ensure it is in the unlock position. You can also use disk part utility. What you have to do is press Windows plus R at the same time. And after that, you'll get into an interface like this on the left corner. We could see what you have to do is simply type disk part and press OK option. And you'll get an interface and press yes. What you have to do is identify USB drive based on its size and type. Select this on this option. But you could also try modifying the registry setting. What you have to do is press the Windows plus R at the same time and you'll get an interface like this again. And you have to type regedit and make sure you're typing the correct form and click on the OK. And you'll be asked this and click on the yes option. From here, what you have to do is go to the Hiki local machine right over here and simply click on the default value not set option. And after this, you need to restart your computer and check if the write protection has been removed or not. And after trying these methods, you should be able to write to your USB flash drive. If the issue persists, there may be a problem with the USB drive itself and you may need to replace it. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.